Hi guys! In the early days of Salesforce for system administrator to accomplish the requirement of updating batch records on a certain cutoff, development is needed. However, with new improvements in flow, Salesforce has given system administrator the leverage to configure this using point and click. So in today's video, we are going to set up a schedule-triggered flow that will help us update certain records in batch. So the user story is, the business has a requirement of ensuring that leads entering the business are of quality leads. Therefore, the business objective of quality leads is to ensure that annual revenue is of greater than 250,000. With this on hand, Salesforce will run a scheduled batch automation on all leads that are ready to be tagged as working contacted. So let's just say that the business has a certain scheduled cutoff at 9 p.m. With the help of a scheduled flow, you can achieve this requirement. So let's do it. Let's click on Setup. So from the quick find, just type in Flow. Now click on New Flow button. So in here, we're going to select the Schedule Triggered Flow, then click Next. So you may select any of these two formats depending on your preference. So I'm going to select Freeform. And now we just need to select the object. I'm going to put in lead object. And then we're going to set up the filter condition. So for the condition, I'm going to put in annual revenue should be greater than or equal to 250,000. And then click Done. So next step would be, we will be dragging the update records from the side panel, and then we can name this to update stage to working contacted. Or sorry, update status to working contacted. All right. Now in here, we're going to choose the specify conditions to identify records and set fields individually. And for the object, we're going to select the lead object again. And for the filter lead records, we're going to select the non-update all lead records. And then we're going to choose the status field. And this field will be updated to working contacted through the schedule triggered flow. Click Done. Okay, and to finalize the schedule triggered flow, we will be setting up the schedule of batch processing by clicking the Set Scheduled link. So we're gonna put in the date today and the start date. We're gonna set this up to 2 minutes from now, so we can test it out. So 2:38. We're going to put in 2:40 p.m. All right. So for the frequency, we can select daily and then click Done. And then don't forget to connect these two. Then click Save. And then we're going to name this to update lead status. Click Save. And of course, don't forget to activate the flow. All right. So I have created 3 records, as you can see. So 2 records have annual revenue of 250,000. And this one here has 200,000 annual revenue. So let's just wait for another 1 minute and see if this too will be updated to working contacted. Okay, so let's refresh our record. All right, so they are all updated. All right, so it worked. And this record right here, so it's 200,000 since the it was not updated because it didn't meet our condition. So this is how we set up schedule flow in Salesforce Lightning. Thanks so much for watching.